The equation of a curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 9. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve and determine their nature. So to find the stationary points, we have to find the first derivative and equate it to 0. So dy upon dx equals to 0, which is equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 0. Now 0 is equal to, now if we take 3x common, we'll get 3x into x minus 2. We just factorized it, and now we have 0 equals 3x and 0 equals x minus 2. So from here 0 is equal to x and 2 is equal to x. Now we have find the x coordinate of the stationary points. We have to find the y coordinate to find the coordinates of the stationary points. So we put x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0 back into the original equation to get the y coordinate. So if we put x is equal to 0, we'll get y equals to 9, and if we put x is equals to 2, we'll get y equals to 5. So 0, 9 and 2, 5 are the coordinates of the stationary points. The second step is to find their nature. So we'll find the second derivative, which is d square y upon dx square, which is equal to 6x minus 6. We just took the derivative of the first derivative. So 6x minus 6. Now we'll put the respective x into this x, and if we get an answer which is greater than 0, that means that point is a minimum point. If we get an answer which is less than 0, that means that point is maximum point. So for x is equal to 0, 6 times 0 minus 6 is equals to minus 6, which is less than 0. Hence it is a maximum point. For x is equal to 2, 6 times 2 minus 6 is equals to 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6, greater than 0. So that is a minimum point.